Hello everybody, back again for another week. How you all doing? Hope you're all doing okay. I've just got back from the hospital. Only went for a check-up today, yeah. Went for an x-ray, obviously they see how it's doing. And this was the first time, I'm not going to put it on because I didn't get a picture of it, but it's the first time I saw what my leg actually looked like inside. Yeah, there's a lot of damage. A lot of damage. They're saying that the ankle at the minute's healing okay. I'll show you all of it in a minute, but at the top just below my knee, he said slow progress. He said, so I've got to go back in 3 months time to see how it's going and go from there. But yeah, there's a lot of damage in this leg. I was quite surprised when I saw it myself, but I'll go into that in a little bit more detail. Got something else for you a little bit more interesting on this one. Actually got a little time lapse of Tina baking. I thought a little bit something different for you instead of me just sitting here talking to you all over the same sort of thing. But what I'm not doing in this video, I'll do this one next week, so it's something a little bit else, a little bit different. I'm going to go through all our, you know what I said last week about going through our camping bits and bobs that we've got and show you what we use and what we do and things. I was going to do it in this video, but I'm going to leave that out till next week now. Because otherwise it's going to be the same thing again next week, just a thing. So that's why I was trying to split it, put a little bit of something different in the video. So there'll be a time lapse shortly of Tina baking, and then obviously watch us eating it. I'm not going to say what it is, you'll see it for yourself, but yeah, I will say it was nice. But anyway, I'm going to quickly turn this camera around and I'm going to show you what actual damage has been caused. Well, you ain't going to see it, but I'll show you. It's worse than I was expecting, so I'll turn the camera around and show you. Yeah, so as you can see here anyway, I'm not going to go too much over my ankle. I mean, my leg's a little bit swollen because I was stuck in there for a little while because it was rammed. And obviously I've got to keep my leg elevated, so I was in a bit of pain. And that's another reason why I'm not doing all the camping stuff now, to be honest. It's going, I'm in a bit of pain. I'm going to go and hand my leg up and rest it. But scarring's going well, and not really much. I mean, the healing around wherever it broke around here, so it's around here somewhere. That's all healing up nicely. But here, where they've done it big, you're back. Tina's just come back. It happened around there. But me thinking the actual break was across me bone and underneath as well, but it's not. It's actually gone at an angle like that, so it's not straight, it's gone at an angle. So I've seen how they've done it. I think I've got a nail through the bone, and I think I've got metal, what do you call them, like pieces of metal that goes at the side of the bone as well. But it's the same on the back as well. The bone that I've got at the back, is it your tibia at the back? I think that's your tibia, and that's your tibia. But as that's gone like that, at an angle, so's the tibia at the back. It's done exactly the same. So this part of my leg, here and at the back, is basically, looking at it, was completely near enough shattered. But it's doing okay. They said it's going to take... Let me turn camera around instead of talking so you can't see me. So anyway, like I was saying, let me just put this back on. Hang on a minute. It's meant to be 6 months. I got told at first for a full heal, but because of where it's badly broken in that part I showed you, I've got to go back in 3 months. But they said it's slow progress, so it might even be longer than 6 months. I don't know yet. We're just going to have to take it bit by bit. So 3 months, that will lead us into, what is it, January? Oh, nearly Christmas, isn't it? Nearly Christmas and New Year. But that's how things are at the minute, guys. So I was quite shocked when I saw it. You know, it's quite a mess inside. Let's put it that way. Right, move. Go on. Come on. So, yeah, I don't know what really much to say. All I can say is that, inside my leg was a right mess, more than I was expecting. When I had the x-ray, they even said to me there's a lot of metal work in there. So obviously I think I've got the metal rod that goes through your bone, but I think I've got plates all the way up as well. Well, I think so. it looked quite clear on the x-ray that they're on the outside as well as on the inside. But yeah, it's going to take a bit of healing, a bit of... I mean, they're happy with my progress because now I can bend my leg and move my ankle and move around a bit better, as you've seen previously. But that's obviously, like I said, one of the reasons why... 2 reasons really why I'm not showing you the camping stuff now is because I can save that for the next video. So you got something else as well. Like this one, you got a bit of bacon, and this, and then a camping one next week. But also because obviously I was at hospital for so long. Obviously I couldn't have my leg up, and it was swelling up, and I started getting into a bit of pain. So I'm going to go and rest my leg soon. So anyway, this time lapse. I'm not going to say what it is. You'll have to wait until you see it and see if any of you knows what it actually is. I'll tell you at the end of after we do a taste test. I think I actually said it anyway in the video, didn't I? What it is. If not, I'll put it in at the end. Oh, I feel all bunged up. Not wrong. I ain't got cold. No cold. But anyway, let's see what this cake looks like, shall we? See you in a bit. look at this. Oh, nom 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 nom. We'll be having that in a minute. Tina's done some baking tonight.
I just hope I've done it right.
Hope you don't mind the mess in the kitchen, people. Tina is a messy, well, not dirty, messy baker. The time, 8 o'clock on a Sunday night. It's actually Sunday I've done this video. I thought, well, give you all something else to look forward to watch as well, instead of just watching me talking. So I thought, get a bit of Tina baking. Oh, I can't wait. We're still going to have some of that tonight. Have a little bit. So, if anyone's wants to know what it is, it's an old school chocolate sponge cake.
First time doing it, so I don't know how it's going to turn out.
Yeah, first time doing it, so I'm not sure how it's going to come out, but we'll soon let you know. Tina's got the custard out, so you can have any. I like me custard, me, so rather have that. I'll watch Tina dish it out.
I just use a little now.
Yeah.
You think it's going to turn out?
I think it's nice. You can smell the chocolate.
Right, you wanting 2 bits?
Yeah, just 2 small squares and the custard over top. I don't want to eat that too much at this time with that. Ooh.
Hey, do you know what? It's not even stuck to paper.
Isn't it?
No.
Oh, Tina always does this as well. She uses it grease paper or something, is it,
yeah.
Bud?
It's a bit hard on edge, but...
Oh, bring a bit of that up to the camera, Bam.
If I can, because it's red hot.
Oh, is it? Just bring it. I'll bring camera to you then. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. You're going to be nice.
I hope so.
How long you been doing it? Just about an hour?
I bloody hope so.
Oh, if anyone are wondering as well, these things here, because I've seen them in the camera and this, these are for wax melts that we've told you about.
That custard's hot enough, innit? Put your hand on it.
Yeah.
Right, you can be my tester.
Oh, I'm the tester. No, it actually looks quite a lot on there. I should have said 1, but never mind. Ooh, yeah.
Save that for me, because I'm your tasting it first.
I've got to taste it. Oh, let's turn the camera around then. Oh, let's try some, shall we?
Is it nice? Well, let's have a bit then.
Oh, you can taste the dark chocolate. That's really strong on chocolate. If anyone likes chocolate, I know who does. Oh, it's nice. She's used the dark chocolate on this one. You can taste it. It's lovely.
Is it hard or anything? Or is it just round the edge?
Just a little bit round the edge, a little bit hard, but that's nice. Really nice.
Does it bring back memories?
Yeah.
Does it?
Try just get go around it. See what Tina thinks of it. She's went by her side. You got a bit round your gob. That nice. Oh, Mum don't want none yet. It's too late for her. She'll have some tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going to go and munch this. So I hope you enjoyed this little video here. A little bit of a change and obviously more to come, yeah. So, see you in a bit. There you go, guys. What do you think? I can't remember if it was in the video or not on that time lapse or after when I was doing taste test or what it was. But if any of you don't know what it was or if you didn't hear, now I think that was an old chocolate sponge cake with custard. It was lovely. Bearing in mind, if you remember, I had 2 bits on mine. I wasn't expecting Tina to put 2, but there's more in the bowl than I was expecting. I couldn't eat it all. I only ate about half of it. But no, thoroughly enjoyed that. I know some others that probably would as well. Put down in the comments, what do you think? But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I know it's not a lot, but I'm trying to do something different for you instead of the same thing, me just sitting here. Oh, quickly, just remembered. Guess where we're at now on the channel? All because of you lovely lot. We've just hit 250 subscribers. Thank you all so much. And any of the new ones, I'm Jamie. Tina's outside doing something. Harvey's in the living room doing something. And Andrew's upstairs doing something. And my mum's in there doing something. We're the Ellmers Adventures. Hope you enjoyed. I mean, obviously, I understand if you all get bored of watching these at the minute because there's not a lot going on. But there will be next year. Got some plans next year and that. Let's just hope they all work out because you know what we're like. Make a plan if something always happens to prevent it, but we'll see. Oh, but thank you all so much. I really do appreciate it. If anyone wants shout outs, like I said in the previous videos, let us know. We'll be very happy to give you a shout out on one of the videos. Plus, it gives me something else to do as well. You know, instead of just talking, I can do some shout outs for you. So yeah. So please give us a subscribe if you're new. If you enjoy any of the camping videos or camping in general or cooking and like little ideas for yourselves. I mean, some people do ask. I've seen on some of these Facebook pages that I'm on. A lot of them say, "Oh, what sort of food do you take? What sort of things do you do?" Well, come over to our channel and come and take a look. I mean, we've got all sorts on there, from cooking on barbecues, cooking on the ridge bunkies and on the stoves and, you know, on the fire as well. When we're with Chris and Sam, we have a bit of food on fire. And the barbie. Can't beat a barbie, can you? Anyone that don't know barbecue. But yeah, so thank you all so much. I really do appreciate it. But, you know, like I've said once again, I always do it, don't I? Please subscribe. I really do appreciate it. We want to get to our magical number now. We're up to 1,000. Because I've got some special things for all of you when it gets to there as well. We're going to start doing some lives and things like that. I would do them now, but I don't know how many people would join on with us, well, if we've done a live or not. So I'd rather get up, try and get to 1,000. And then we'll have more people that join with us, so we can all have a laugh and a chat, can't we? But anyway... And don't forget to hit that bell button as well, because that will notify you of another video. So it will ping up on your phone when a video gets released. But we try and do them on a Friday afternoon, around 5:30 anyway. And give us a like and give us a comment. We answer all the comments. And have a nice little chat to you all. So anyway, you all take care, and we'll see you all next week. Ta-da for now.